Hello everyone, welcome to Holistic Workshop. Let's make a healthy and delicious vegan taco and later learn the health benefits of its ingredients. Let's talk potatoes. Potatoes do not get enough credit, and there is a common misconception that it is unhealthy. However, you will be surprised that the whole unprocessed, unpeeled potato is loaded with phytochemicals, fiber, and proteins. And you thought only apples and oranges are healthy. It is rich in potassium, magnesium, and other essential minerals. The predominant phenolic acid, chlorogenic acid, reduces the intestinal absorption of glucose and can prevent type 2 diabetes. Trials have demonstrated reduction in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. The anthocyanins, fiber, and glycoalkaloids in potatoes make it a disease-fighting powerhouse, lowering glucose, cholesterol, and making it anti-cancer. Potato proteins possess amazing health benefits. In particular, protease inhibitor 1 and 2, which promote weight loss, almost similar to some of the FDA-approved medications. It stimulates the release of cholecystokinin, which promotes fullness and early satiety. Clinical studies have shown significant weight loss in just 16 to 20 weeks of potato protein consumption. Consuming potatoes in a healthy way lowers the risk for type 2 diabetes, cancer, hypertension, and cardiovascular disease. So go potatoes, but enough about them. Rosemary and tofu lower cholesterol, reduce the risk for diabetes, cancer, heart disease, and death. Those of you allergic to soy can just stick with potatoes. Tomatoes lowers blood pressure by improving endothelial function, and peppers helps with weight loss. Add spice to your life. Please subscribe, leave a comment, join the revolution, and begin your own journey to health and happiness. Thanks for watching.